So, welcome to
Code Cooking!
Welcome to
Code
Code
Cooking with the crash server always.
Yes, so what are we going to... No, let's go to the topic. What is the... So you want to talk about cooking first?
No, I think we are here for code and we want code and...
Strong code.
Strong code, yeah.
Okay, so the first part of this episode is going to be about how crashserver does coding in live.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
We code live.
So yeah, it's a bit of a discussion maybe more than a technical thing, and so we are going to use our custom version of Troop, which is the software which allows collaborative coding in Fox.universe.
Yes.
Right?
Right.
So this version is available on our GitHub, but it is like really specific for us. If you use it, everything will crash probably, and it is not like really usable.
Really dangerous. Yeah, you can lost everything.
Yeah,
don't use it.
Yeah, we made a more accessible version, which is
called WebFox.
I think so.
WebFox.
We've got so many stuff we're lost in the project.
Yeah, you can use it if you just. It's mainly a front end for Foxdot. So
right.
And Renardo.
Yeah. So there's a lot to say there.
We made a video about it.
Yes. We're not going to go too deep into Renardo, Foxdot. It's really more about how we code and about
our tool shape.
Yes, how our tools are shaped from our coding style. Yeah. So what we want usually is we start nowadays from scratch a lot. So blank page. So we want something that is quick. We always code quite quickly, always, because we code with two persons, so it's quick. That was a stupid sentence, anyway. But we want some shortcuts to go even quicker.
Yeah.
And we want always to be able to see what the other one is doing, reacting, and to be able to react quickly to the public also. Yeah. So to be reactive.
Yeah, because we see a lot of live coders who are alone, code alone, not. We are some specific duo from live coding, so we are two. It's not so usual.
No.
So
we needed to find some specific solutions, and over the years we found some interesting things. Yeah. So the first thing is the UI itself. Maybe you can switch on the
UI.
On the UI, yeah.
Okay.
So the UI itself. So here we have a split screen mode. This is like a new addition. We don't use it, especially live. Maybe we
never
will.
Use it live.
We never used it live. That's for sure. Maybe we will use it. Yeah. I'm not. Yeah, still. As always, there's something. When we have new tools, some tools we use, some we don't. And with usage, you see some things that stay and some things that disappear.
Of course, yeah.
I don't know if the split screen is going to be like a feature we will keep. Maybe it's too much information on screen. Maybe it's not. Yeah. I don't know yet. We have to practice it.
Yeah, I do it for mostly for recording session.
Right.
So you can, because when we record session, you can see both code.
You can see what he writes and I write at the same time. If you see on the left, we've got a really specific for live sessions for concerts, which is the to-do list. So to-do list is when you start and you go on stage, usually you don't have a lot of time.
And you forget
some stuff. So it's in French, but basically it means check that everything is connected, check all the links with the FX pedals, check the
sending, the CPU sending.
Yes, check the visual if they are connected to the audio.
Reset the timer.
Yeah. So that's the first thing we can talk about, is the timer. So we've got a timer. Yeah. When we start the live concert, we've got a timer. I see quite a lot of people now use something like that in live, so they know when to stop and how long they've been playing.
Sometimes you have to play only for 30 minutes or 1 hour, so time is
of the
time is money.
Time is money. Is it?
No,
I don't know. Yeah. So on the other, what else do you have there? You've got like all the information about how we play. So BPM, scales, routes.
I can remove the to-do list.
You can remove the to-do list. Yes. We can talk about some interesting
BPM. We have a tap tempo for the BPM.
Yep.
It's really Never use it.
That's exactly what we've got. This tool, Tap Tempo, it's nice, it's fancy, it works for the moment.
Yeah, but sometimes when you play after people, you don't know, you want to make a nice transition. Maybe you say, okay, you play at 200 BPM, so you say, okay, we play at 200.
It happens.
We start at
with 200, yes. Okay, for what else in the checklist? I can remove my checklist also, so I can see the same thing. Yeah, so we've got the beat meter, which is also important when we play together. We have usually we try to do some synced transitions. Yeah. So yeah, usually on electronic music you try to make huge transitions on like sequences which are larger. Not always, you don't have to.
You don't have to.
So usually that's on vocal communication. I say to Seb, or he says to me like a 64 or a 16 or something. And just saying the number, we know, okay, for this next step, we are going to sync something. We're not sure exactly what everyone is doing, but we're trying to sync a bit. Yeah. Then we've got some interesting things. So I'm going to write just a player. I'm not going to put any sound in it because it's not important for the moment. Amp at 0, so nothing comes out. I evaluate, and on the left part you see the active player. Yeah. So that's something we learned from live coding a lot. After a while, you've got a lot of stuff piling up, and yes, sometimes you forget some shit.
You don't hear it.
No, but when you're focused, you know the hi-hat you've been hearing for 20 minutes, and it's like, oh shit, it's ugly, and you just noticed, and the public noticed this like 15 minutes ago. So the good thing is, I don't know at what time it will change color.
After 2 minutes.
After 2 minutes.
2 minutes you become orange and 5 minutes red.
Yeah. So
say, okay, red is.
So when you see something flashing on the left side of your screen, you say, okay, shit, I have to take care of this.
Maybe not. Maybe it's a good sound, and maybe it's the sound of the night. So. Maybe
you can do the whole thing with 30 minutes with the same sound. But the option is there, and you see what can be dangerous. Or, if you click on it, you can close it, which is
you can stop it.
You can stop it.
Remove it,
which is nice also, especially if you've got like some
weird sound.
You cannot find what it is.
One? You kill.
Mass kill, mass murder. Okay, that's not good for. Okay, so let's go maybe into coding style a bit more.
Yeah, we've got some shortcut for going really fast, like control space. You up a new player.
Yeah,
you can add a lot of new player like this.
Cool. Then I make a standard one, and then you can make one with the X and the underscore and stuff. Like I do control space.
Yes,
but it's on your screen, so maybe you do it.
Yeah, you can choose. You have a list of all available synths. So maybe we will do TB. The TB2. Okay.
Right, and we've got all the exposed parameters right there.
The default parameters, so you don't have to ask, what's the name of this parameter?
Yeah, exactly. And if you've got a lot of synths with a lot of parameters, you don't remember all the names. And still on the creative aspect, it means you can, I can play with the, the cutoff filter of the TB303. Exactly. Or you can play with the sustain of it, and I didn't know it was a parameter, so can discover things live.
You rediscover the synth def.
You rediscover the synth def, yeah.
And of course, okay, we've got the alt down.
DJ style. We love this feature, and that's a feature we integrated not a long time ago, and we use it a lot because it's fucking amazing, if I can say so. If I so while pressing Alt up and down, you can add a value, add an integer or a float or whatever. It's context dependent.
Yeah, it's with a float only one.
One
number,
decimal. Yeah.
And for 100 or 1000, it's
So really quick, and especially if you're playing with filters, if you want to do like transitions with filters, something like that, you can play with it really quickly. It leaves more time to do some other stuff there. Yeah, so it's really efficient. What else? So X, yeah, you did it without noticing. So it's always the thing about gaining time on coding.
Yeah.
So
you do a lot of start stop every time.
So why not?
So
why not shortcut it?
Why not shortcut for start stop?
So Alt X for us, it's cuts or plays a player.
Yeah.
And the same for S, it allows to do it in solo.
Yeah.
So if you've got a lot of players and you said, oh, I want this one solo, instead of writing that solo minus
solo and solo.
Yeah. Other thing, we've got loads of code. Let's make some. Okay, we've got some code. And I say, hey Sebastian, where are you coding?
Hi.
So now we've got split screen, it's easier. But if I press Alt J, my cursor goes directly to your place, so I can see what are you typing.
You're here.
I'm here.
And if I go up there, Alt J. Okay, you're here.
Yeah, so that's
you're
nice.
You're lost in
you lost in the code.
The forest of code.
About forests of code, we do scratch from scratch playing. We also use what we call attacks, which are like snippets of code. So we've got the function is lost. So if I'm lost, if I'm lost and I want to play something, I say, I'd like to play something we made time ago or something. I play lost. I've got the list of all the snippets of code we have. Yeah. Is it recording, by the way?
Why?
Is it recording?
Yes, I think so. Yeah.
Oh, you did press the recording button.
I press the record button.
Okay, because it happens.
It happens, yes.
So lost noise, and you can evaluate.
Yeah. Okay, it's not working.
No, because it's
okay.
And then it just brings us the snippets of the code we want. And so we even got the lights just off.
Oh.
I'll check it. You can talk to the camera meanwhile.
But yeah, I can evaluate more. Okay.
With
the light. Okay, we don't know why, but
other light. All right.
We don't cut it.
We don't cut it. Yeah. We never cut. No.
Embrace
the error. Right. What else? I don't know. I think there are plenty of other stuff we use, but. Probably we won't remember all of them right now because it's
absolutely not.
Yeah. Do you have some ideas?
We have the loop, a list of loop.
Yeah, autofill of loops.
Autofill of
autocomplete. Yeah.
So if you run mice, okay, I can.
Oh, the effects are also like if you want. I don't know. Up. X, but you should do it on your screen because they don't see it on my screen, you know.
No?
No, they don't.
Okay, if you here if I put X, give me all the FX list.
Yes,
so I can
with
choose,
underscore, you've got all the.
Yeah, only this is a normal. This is without
the underscore.
With the underscore, I give all the default parameters.
I don't know about the masters there. Should we talk about this master stuff? Yeah, so that's master. That's a way to put some effects or some players, whatever, through a global thing. So we can do this is filtering everything.
You can do it. You can do it like this, master.lpf.
Yes.
So you put a low pass filter on all your active player, but
what is cool is this.
I don't know. It's not this. Not like this. Maybe not. I can't remember how we do it. What's the old?
The old way. I don't know.
I don't remember. Yeah. Don't use it. Use master all.
Master all. And the cool thing is if you put a 0 in front of the FX, the low pass it resets everything pre-filter. Yeah. Without the filter.
You store all the value from your players with a low pass filter and say, okay, give me back the old value.
Right, and it restores everything. We've got a lot of other functions like, I don't know, drop the solo, the whatever. We can. I don't think it's so important to talk about all
No,
this stuff.
maybe
It's
not.
not the scope of the video. It's more about how we code together. Maybe we've got some more discussions about, I don't know, how we code together. Because it's like it's a chaotic, organized thing, something like that.
We talk a lot.
We do. We do the live.
Not long talking.
No, it's efficient talking.
Efficient talk, but
there's also the whole thing about timing and how much time we spend coding, because we understand. We think if you do live coding, it's usually quite boring to see someone in front of the laptop. So we are two, so that's an advantage for us.
Yes.
One of us can like relax a little bit, interact more with the public, be a little bit more alive, and
play with FX pedals. Or
do some other stuff, play with video, drink a beer, do something else, or
dance,
go to I don't know. So timing when we play together is quite important.
Yeah.
Especially if we do long live session and intense, like a 1 hour.
More than 1 hour.
Hard style at 3 o'clock.
You need some break.
You need some. Your brain cannot manage 1 hour straight because we do quite really fast coding, so it's quite demanding on the energy.
Yes.
If you saw us live, you know that we sometimes put some energy in what we do. So you need some breathing, some space. And for what each of us does, a lot of people ask us, you do the bass and you do the drums, or you do the... It's not the case.
Sometimes I do the drum.
Sometimes you do the drums.
Yeah.
He does. And the light goes off.
And the light goes off.
But,
you see me, you see me, you don't see me, you see me, you
see you again. So it's not like that. It's more we talk about, hey, maybe you can do this or not. We don't always talk. Sometimes we synchronize, which is really weird.
Sometimes we write exactly the same line.
Yeah, last time that was like amazing. 2 times in a row, exactly the same attributes, the same things. We're like, okay,
maybe that's why I build a split screen.
Yeah.
To say, okay, you're writing the same.
The same exact thing that I do.
Finish it.
We've got an inside chat also in the software, but we
never use it.
We never use it. That's again a slight cool feature in theory. In practice, what you type has to be useful for coding, and the rest, you don't spend energy, I think, coding like, hey, what's up? You want to drink a beer or something? I don't know.
I can put some emoji.
And you put some emoji. That we use a little bit. The Alt 1, Alt 2, Alt 3. That's a little bit.
One,
yeah. So that is to highlight something for the other one, to show like, okay, this line is cool. Maybe focus on it, or like this one is dangerous, or don't use it, or be careful about that. So that's we used it a little bit. Like, it's not a major part of the live show at the moment, but we can use it to say especially be careful. Yeah,
this one.
Careful. So I think that's about it.
Yeah, that's about it. Yeah,
we could talk for hours, but I'm not sure it will be interesting.
If you have questions,
always,
you
can find us in the
street.
In the street, yeah,
in
just
Strasbourg,
here.
If you work in Strasbourg,
in the Crash Cave, or on the internet things. The
light.
It's a sign.
It's a sign. I think it's time to say goodbye. so goodbye.
I'm trying to cover the